we are fresh to a new count of air rape and a day about a branch channel. Inti I don't so a hunsam ha. You be room near the common at Yamam. Then the second topic a enra EPL gamer and also to me to the Brentford and Arsenal. I'm about 1-1. Now enormous say I'm forecast say Arsenal it is one enormous about 2 league wins so enormous 1-1 at the Brentford say Ocean League table now between Omani Man City no about 4 points from 6 to 4 and here your second discussion I be now for the debut crown the Copa del Rey gamer and na semi-final Atletico Madrid our Wanda Metropolitano Omucha Barcelona Ekanaya Barca Antimi anti eno any discussions I will Medini so is it joining live our YouTube and Chat TV na efa o message no bra na enkenkan emfa emau Besmak Osu Bempa Ayala. Good morning. Now what you saying?
Oh, Nyamia don't know ye. But there are not too good news for me. It was possible.
For
that Seminole Barcelona a resource.
He drew her. Maybe it's a reason.
Sure.
And no first animal to 4. Ades. Barcelona.
Enya some kitwa.
Chairman Poba. Good morning.
Morning.
Bibi aboko there.
Oh, Nyamia Dama. Bibi Barcelona crying to Bibi aboko.
Barcelona Real Madrid for some nice kotokoni.
Aye. We talk for ma. Na we ani age.
New life for ni has in FA Cup. And say Gana be you so you say nyina ya.
Na jubilation.
Say nyina ya.
Easy.
When say Real Madrid for so abesete for ni you omo no. Omo so kese aduma ni nkosi e wo camp nu na ese. Ye nyina ya bro pepe.
O ba sa there.
Simeone don't trust in it.
Asem sana ono pe na me ka kire bai. Me there.
Ono be ba
matches between matches between Barcelona and Atletico there. Yempon ya me nka sa Atletico video ayi. Bo hu an no makwa ni ma tro kan.
Simeone there.
Akwaje 5-0. Ne yi na film.
Me to crash omo 5-1.
Okay.
Me trust obey Barcelona ni oni e ba ya yo
tawe so no maybe amomo de no say amomo de na Madrid derby a derby game
teams
derby games so de tawe ni e bo
oh derby me so ni Barcelona for boy ahwe
ene me awe pa
no suspect ni ji aji o ko dress ya pon game ko dress
oh boy antes
okay, I don't mention myself with the Thomas Partey issue, no. In komo kakra na and some no buy no, and your commentaries the baby and some to say Partey some no.
Which a hard dream. Sir Oko Englander and some a crime. Omo court system no ayene se omo independent institution a friend of Crown Prosecution Service. Crown of course on say England are hini 70 no enti Crown Prosecution Service. Omo ye independent from police any omo other institutions omo shembra. No omo dwumadi nyina na say you prosecute you for crime ewo England anywhere sir omo na yo omadwuma na say na enioma ye adwuma ewo ho omo mrani mu no omo say crime be say rape eyenim gwase say attach ni to dia enunti say obi bo omo office na oba report rape case ehona no omo make sure say where the rape case na beto so no udin on be bon ho ban on mani mpia bontin da. Then they refer the matter to the Metropolitan Police say asumesi say we are rape no enti munye investigation samuye investigation na investigation no eduru say munya evidence a emu odu enough to say afedi ebetimi a charge na the Odeba Ghana ye mranima omofo the prima facie case no say afidi o ye nya bibi enyina so bi a emu odu se police ne ka say o afi ye nhwemu no ye nya nyina so bi emu odu a ansana oma ba catch crown prosecution for no na oma attach file no mu so review omu so okay afidi mu case ye betimi atworo official charge letter na dia abo asomasi na ye invite ne say afedi ye nya asematia anye sa they want to avoid a situation where rich unyiri ya over babo so sa babo ne bonna fom
easy
nti udin kakra bi a wanya wani mo nyam bi a wo society mu obi antimi just walk to Metro Police or Crown Prosecution Office or say we are repum ana abeda bontin yes ye be hwehwe mu kwa na bia bibia mpo nim nti rich see the rape charges to so you ga answer na ye be charge na ye be boldin no na che say enyina so bi ho eni so ube kaya pata asem ne ba fofo pa no all the English tabloids are no report is you a Premier League player be a Premier League player be no one team body because a deal will not be given to you unless na omo Thomas Partey vicinity wa omo say police for abane ho abe final police station we can link 1 to 2 and say ebi asem no omo kan say a Premier League player there a way and as omo ben no ewo Arsenal ni ono ankasa Partey ni inner circles na no munim say asem bi say yekoso the old case you know were 5 count of rape and mammy you know and on the rape case ever to Partey so back so rape the 3 times back so rape the 2 and about there or say sexual harassment internet say yemfa say enye say wa penetrating no nemu no one na di agro bi asoso ne ba bi a wampe ene efe ne sexual assault
ah dey didi agro no
and already no there are 5 count of rape 1 sexual assault Partey ko hu court dada
na first ones aba
you see August 2025 yeah ye different mu be di bronya yeah 2026 yeah August and a Metropolitan Police for it wa and a woman being so aba say ono so ewo rape case editia ye nua be ma Thomas Partey into the assembly abasisi you know the first report to the police was made in August 2025 and so the medical no also mo investigation enye nyina so ntia asomasi say obi a rape no enti afei na Metro Police no edi omu investigation o maya omu giri se omu wo nyina so akoma Crown Prosecution Service na omu so review no omu say oh evidence ni emu odu enough a yebetime agina so na ye dey charge Thomas Partey enu nti ye the 2 additional charges of rape aka ye nua bema no ho a the Westminster Magistrate Court no March 13th March 13th I say Partey say PM a court on the fresh new additions na e wo ho no mate ne defense lawyer Jenny Washer osi o Partey because why deny all these allegations against him
okay
inti yamfa say first 6 na ba no or court in the first statement was that o pleaded not guilty on yin tum say we this abone no
okay
from ne defense attorney no rich the first statement I want making just say on the 13th of March Partey first statement against these 2 additional no also be say on plead guilty and as on yin tum
okay
somebody no mo dey to so no on my look
okay
the American say fast our process we move in poa rich Udi will never be the same
sure and amazing you or bobo pa but
Udi will never be the same and onim yina ye mema me de bia me ka say oye bema na say asam to o follow bema on issues of sexuality there is no way you should jubilate because you know sani esa no wa we sit
a bit me at all
obia nti ye bompaye
mpaye na
ye bompaye
na abama Brentford
ye bompaye no so na ye di stu ye ho for
sure
so we just have to be careful about these things we just have to be careful Rich
Coffee Partey good morning Akrami
oh me I don't have anything to say I don't have anything to say I think it's a unfortunate say or we're falling into such a situation and already affected Thomas Partey. So it's just a long haul for him.
What can be grass waiting back of book?
Oh, wait till me in there. We for Ghana
sound is that
Ghana is always you can't tell whether a sound has on your sound from here. I think the Ghana they be a constant safe haven for him. So until it's proven guilty by the Westminster Circuit Courts, people will stand by him, and I think that's the right thing to do. However, a legal issue, and the merits of it, I'll not be able to get it. I think Abon Chrono very well. So for me, I think that's
sure.
I don't have anything.
And until Court of Competent Jurisdiction, because I had the NYA, you see, I do innocent. Nti inano, empire nani because so abo at the Atayi Nuanechi. No say. I make a time a story in the buy, who kind story in Asia. In the end, your memo will then some more come was here. As I am Munabu
as in Ghana for
players and many players there. There's this boy, Mimbonidin.
Okay.
Now we're too quiet. I can't breach you for fraud. Now Okodu yeno. Me one man no streak me or a footballer. So I didn't pa or streak me or quite breach you for fraud. Na me who say on it abrofo girls be na on my baneho no streak me na my hair. See na air twa so. And that could me sending a message. I'm catching so on you very careful. I didn't on it girl no yen. Na now for nene keke. I say o person timi bobo no this kaba fia.
Unjabro for HD.
Ma ehun hiampo. Partey so odibem so odifo. Say asemo nyina wia. Say ne Ayala kan. Ni din. How do you even cleanse sa ewe nyina?
No. Brava bo we are singing na.
So
amazing good. At the point Obama drop charges need now. What to say
yeah, footballers no more fan two mo ho. No kran say
training going to me go.
Ebi o no ma na boys no so maso ayeden kakra.
Okay.
Nti mo fan two mo ho fo. Say abrochi ho de say hanom na say na ka say ha edi bia go na ha de say wo hia wo nua ba bia na abono no so abono. But the honey enye ne sa wo.
Where ye mre.
Obi
Fifi.
We pass over cabo.
We pass up. Me am so dey am.
Me piama because we pass up was so ga me fa. Rent is
They should be very careful. The players should be very careful about this. Also, a lot of Ghanaian players na nyoma bi si atoto. About Broni no oko Broni uko na ko nyeska ompo.
Debi.
Enti se unya sika na okwan bi obefa so obeji sika na free obi.
So we say a problem pie hono.
No, say dem man so asem dey.
I told them so a cultural shocks no.
Yeah.
The culture is different. Say okay. Aha obetimi apie. Ebi I will do reception wa na obabi gina kwam utimi kwa so misisi
ensu tenase
ha ma me kwan na membra
tenase ne ho afọ
oda na ni obesere na wa he wani na wa sere
di nkomo
ukoye sa wa bochira oba report for sexual harassment so even when ni keke uri show be in a way
na ninjo
utimi report o nkofo bebre e wo mo company o ma reporting me ma ne bebre say we nani na o de hem ne mempe ampa police and the way I'm running to protecting man and crowd abuchino. And yet the bini ha enti who say yeah hano and no you lose kakra. How will you go to police station in Ghana and report to say baby be report 3 times?
Nipa ba akona.
How? will it make sense in Ghana?
And your day back.
I will repeal Monday. Or say I repeal Wednesday. Or say I repeal Friday. You
police name. You get it. What confess?
I don't know. Because it will not make sense to us.
Even Ayala, Abrofo man kra na bi wo a ene ma bi wo mu disi. Omo ebi wo mo report. Obi wo ferry. Say be Bible take grass will be a repeat. Be breed disi.
But omo busiata omo gise o akwa o ska. Say ye nya di tono so ne e fa ni guilty compensation.
So wo de tun so a.
Obeti akra di amount. And when your first issue owura was Sweden. Yenua Kwame Bonsu. We have a lot of examples.
Benjamin Mendy.
A lot of examples.
Should be very careful.
A lot of examples. Nancy I said name my home for Daniel Alves money I don't know. Oh, it's omutu kwan wura emrofo one sana. You just have to be very, very careful. Yeah, can you say bia because sacrosanct. And that's careful yes, I never say, and yet that's the picture we want to paint. But so we draw be close. You have to be extra careful. But when you scan be do Ghana.
Victor who's also at London. No who Abrofo man on person be who many na go fast in the yes. So and then him yes. No do sika be say that.
One way omo physical ebetimi adada over their age. You may take
16 for near who now ultimate so a giant. It's not go fast mama.
Sometimes I think that the Ayala can is about here orientation and how we things which whether we know sika or as we know sika also bamu or show ba some way or casem cho no case some part of my the story of many Jessica Powers actually play on air. I told you in K University, I think it was first year. And he collab. And I mean Jessica Powers. And I'm mentioning her name. I share CCC as well crappy. Until now, not in bed. I'm saying Charlie, your body come on. Pigeon. I don't like that. Since then, the way I don't like that. We never spoke.
Otu has Arabian and go ball.
You see, apart from say Obeborn, one man I clear
on Pesa.
One shiny now got to us. Ebia na one ya the chrono wako to later no.
Santa Mascale man. And wow,
my man can't show. Okay, Tamani will go. Yeah, athletics war. They go in Fifi athletic overall. Madam for pa. So or a lawyer with UK Frank or 9 styles like or body or a and or Quemica. Ni Nissan Asian grammar. Eti your athletic over why athletics no was share shots need to train me can be. And if you are nocturnal, if you are to you. So he made to a Legon. And I know Frank Rene with the same department. Tina one if you are around. Oh Frank, hey Frank. Wow, I like your ties. Obano no catch a bear so the say if you pa. One year 2 minutes. But also no man. You for instance nke ya buchira. And you can say yes say Obano catch a bear when there's a problem. Bearman can report and say Obano sexually wa harassing by saying say you get
it.
But okay, we baby Obama create me catch up send VVK. Now okay obi see the boy.
We just have
to Jessica Powers was sorry them.
When you know.
But they say me show one corner. I say any mobile because imagine say be a corner me sakras and kobono.
As heard them.
Sometimes no crown put the name na
baby UAP.
Sometimes that's 77. Kia University kwara fi maba first year. But this year me to me media. So imagine what I will do.
Yeah. Okay, you moving on na 2 matches in the young come me chama mo. Kofi anan ka me mo bia nso so baako bi on.
Me mti Ayala sir.
Me mti.
Oh mama.
I think it would be proper.
Mama tell to. Obaka no show no so me catch you say.
What be start here?
So say nkan mum.
It's okay fast.
Me be you Obasa because na me wi ana.
Okay.
Omo waka na be so mo so.
No problem.
And no me catch you say. Form na Brentford di Kofi akotwa Arsenal.
I know them. Omako say 3 matches right?
No, 2 away wins.
Okay.
On the trot. And those away wins
Aston Villa
and St. James against Newcastle.
Newcastle, okay.
Osha kwe on fa so mo share Villa 1. Eko share Newcastle St. James na. Any enu abo no mo ne Arsenal boy na. You could clearly see there is a team ya unleash you. Omo ball with freedom. They almost structure no park na so yeah. And omo there be different dynamism. Say o the ball no to from so no omo ball no bebo. Say ombo low block embo on the counter or no bebo. Say eba set pieces physicality or no be ye. Omo a lot of dynamism. Omo to me change omo sane game in situation ni demand bi ah. And enra Mikel Arteta gitu mu after game he say look this team is strong. And ka team bia no ni mad work we head ball ni share no come bembebu. But I say one share game ni bia you could feel say Brentford for ni say they will also get their moments. And so what in the crack customer Rich in terms of the two teams say enka game ni ma ho kwam obi aye clinical enka Brentford share Arsenal because they had clear chances actually Arsenal for them. And Arsenal you muti didi mu but Brentford for not say why say obi raise alarm say game na Arsenal come on difficult and no share game now to say ampa a difficult but Rich omo follow Premier League this season majority of them funny kakra me say Arsenal bobo no mo sha na ebia City kobo draw na say bibia we sinu so yedin but the moment Arsenal be drop points never back to 4 peno ye catch them na Arsenal ye catch them but since Arsenal take his lead no points no emba less than 4 dawo eba na sako me maka say Arsenal ain't me winning all their games but Rich omo tie Arsenal don't know they are not consistent enough to beat this Arsenal team to the Premier League title. They are not. And now Arsenal come draw. We can hear the boy FA Cup and then send Chelsea boy FA Cup near there. You can't even be sure. So in the next 3 games, City are going to have winning streak to put a lot of pressure on Arsenal team now. And see, Omonyan Thomas here.
Okay.
The same environment catch it say. Misro for Barcelona highline against Atletico this time around in particular.
And Obo Lukman Dean.
Alvarez na Ejumano Somano. Soloff don't have that capacity to run between the space na Barcelona eja omo last defense and omo goalkeeper. Antoine Griezmann will see a lot of pace. He's just clever on the ball. On the ball no pass it. And intelligent. But the moment Atletico for the Lukman buy say Kim. Now omo money matches so on bono. I knew say with that Barcelona high line. Okay Lukman Alvarez Boma, they will cause havoc. Now in such a game, she first go now Barcelona consider. I was a Catalan for the and I wonder Metropolitano Park, you know. And I bumpy. Inti Eric Garcia tries to pass ball na my one Garcia bono na bounce and na Emma go in the back. Look, there is no explanation to say they never justify the goal was scored. And I let come making sure say in the first half especially omuni Barcelona weakness dada. Ebia na in the past omuni players now bet me take advantage of it no. But with Lukman now they have the pace to take advantage of it. Barcelona collapsed in the first half.
4-0.
Now you in the second half, Barcelona bad game anymore. But you see, Mitia as a flick the tie is not over. On give you up, and that's Barcelona beats me a come back. And I'm saying second half no boy, you know, was the platform to indicate if Barcelona beats my Babaka. Me, I think Barcelona ensures are you know. If Barcelona team is 2 in the second half, 4-2, and also back. But let's go extra 4-0 in the first half. Next second half, Omoya rehearsal. How Mbaba will come through in 90 minutes in the second half. no me prevent you from not being scary, penetrating them gidi. Osi omo ba no oba be show omo 4. Omo highlight mpa na wo game no equal mpo no. O share 4. Now if you also come highlight with a lot of say
because we are chasing the game.
Who throw defense to look.
Okay.
But so na nyintum. Say
it's over.
Obu obi a auto ne bema. Na me shege na me say kotoko for anya careful. Na so mo share house do.
Very na. And so what Ayala explanation, no?
Yeah, Rich, first off on the Arsenal game.
Okay.
Arsenal may be the best team. Obi a Kano Premier League name based on set pieces. But Rich, if there is ever a set piece conversation or English Premier League, Arsenal or Brentford.
Andrews, no.
Yeah, you're a set piece coach. Brentford is the team or a full set piece department at the University of Brentford have people doing their final year thesis just to find models about set plays. And Kayode long throwing or throwing. And look at the trajectory of the ball. And this is a national team that is constantly winning games using set plays, corner kicks, throw-ins, every day finding ways to win games. And you see, when you look at Brentford, I've constantly said something about them. Say the structure is the same, the team culture is the same, regardless of Nipo Babeye coach. As a coach of Brentford, your job is to manage the team culture, manage the structure, manage the individuals within that. And no. You don't need to change much. And in the very first half, what Brentford did was to allow Arsenal to play the football without threat. The whole of the first half, Arsenal in majority of the possession, but Ombo just one shot there. The whole of the first half. Then, when you talk about physicality in the English Premier League, Rich, in your Newcastle, they don't do it well. I told you yesterday about Thiago. Said today, in the English Premier League, strikers hold the most goals. He's part of them. When you take Haaland, take Antoine Semenyo, you mention Thiago. And Thiago was a boy that was bought under Thomas Frank. Obenya ACL not actually for a very long time. Say almost an extreme physical style of play now. It is always the long ball going into the channels and they will win it. Which another truth that we've spoken about is the fact and now Arsenal missed William Saliba in defense because it looked as if Keith Andrews was clear. He knew said the right side of Arsenal problem was because constantly that's where the ball was going through. A whole move a whole constant will make sure they will win their duels. And which only Brentford ever this season. Brentford has gotten results against Liverpool. When you draw against Chelsea, when you draw results against almost all of the top sides of English Premier League. So that is a team that you should be very, very much wary about. Now I want to say this on the Arsenal game just to end, which Nhyira was the more reason and Mami believing more say Arsenal will win the English Premier League. What do you mean,
Draw.
Yes. Man City and Kobe lose our match.
Okay.
Liverpool and Chelsea and Bear 4. All of the teams that are close to possibly Aston Villa. So I will say Aston Villa lose away. Yeah. If it was any other team on such a bad day, Kobe lose. Oh, Christian Mosquera last minute block. Arsenal did everything. So it's a bad day. But let's take a point away.
Okay.
And let's make it 4. Rich. Sometimes I think Ayala can uchimu. So yeah. That is what it is. Richard, maybe I think say because
but between 4-0.
You see, Barca system say fire shown be brave.
How much of three?
On far Barca didn't know because one should beat match in 7 that.
And solo
yes. Give it my 7. Exactly. Because that is it. Hansi Flick style of play, it is Rex reward. You want to play direct, but then in a Spanish way. And if your press is not perfect, the other team has more intense. Rich, and the reason why I make us say, if you look at it from an intensity point of view, because Atletico Yabona it's not almost mini match. It's just like how Chelsea, like I said, we face Paris Saint-Germain in the Barcelona match. It's from teams a match where you. So from the off, they were on at it. So you have to fight them from the intensity point of view. Plus, Osansunya have the materials to exploit the high line better. Away from even Ademola Lookman. Rich, the trick to constantly bait Barca into Sao on the left-hand side of Alejandro Baldo, it was because Onoaneba Simeone will be there. So Simeone will win the ball first, or either Griezmann and Simeone will win the first ball, no, else our left-hand side on him. Then once they do, because it's an initial overload, other person may make it underlapping run, or pick it, then Ademola Lookman is there. So look at the goals. The Griezmann goal, the ball now, F4, one Garcia, Nassino, then of course Ademola Lookman go, no Koko Shenya. That was the issue. Which we might count it several times. Barca need defensive solidity. Send it Beya. Send you maybe say Bukema. You can come back and defend the box.
Okay.
Because Eric Garcia and Sanya man. You see, sometimes on Shenia, you will be fascinated too much by Pedri. So much I'm as you now to look as if say you blow his trumpet too much. But if Pedri is even in the team, Barca defensively are better. And the pair of Casado and Frankie did not work for me. And I think that those are the things. I also don't think Zan Sifili beats my turning around. I don't think so.
Dead.
Oh yeah, a dead match. Meaning say, yeah, I don't think so. They can turn it around. Now and Unia as the only horse. It was a horn start here, Juma. Inti or seen a bush and phone. I seen a bush and phone in alcohol and anyway. MKT. We should say on your Mokako Bonzi. Ever has ever found.
Baba, what do you coach? About the same Barca to me. How long no idea?
When they Maka, but members my campus are some nipping, but some of them are some in our question.
No problem. Okay.
I don't want to go into the game. I am a day. Quite be on fast to Lucy, I am a day. Maybe I'm not here.
But it do got about you
know. Oh, yeah. And I like the way they are promoting the game.
But now